Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see about the proximity sensor design. So to design a proximity sensor, first we need an electromagnet to be designed. So this is the circuit diagram for the design of electromagnet. So first, 3 100 ohm resistors are needed, which has to be connected in parallel with a 100 microhenry inductor. So this is the power calculation. As you can see, each resistor will dissipate a power of 0.25 watt, which is going to yield a pretty heat dissipation around the resistors. So it is going to be hot around the resistor, and the current which is being supplied to the 100 microhenry inductor is around 150 milliamp. So this is the circuit diagram of the proximity sensor, which is going to detect the magnetic field. So AD22151 is the magnetic field sensor. So it is being connected with parallelly with two 470 ohm resistors, and is being feeded back to the output with the help of 100 kilo ohms resistor. So this is the gain calculation. As this is a open loop op-amp circuit, the gain is around 427. So it is a pretty high gain that is being that can be. So this is the implementation of the circuit on the breadboard. So the left half consists of the electromagnet, which is being produced with the help of an inductor, and the right is the proximity sensor design. And we are going to see the output with the help of ADALM1000 Analog Devices product, to learn about analog circuits. So the output is going to be seen with the help of pixel pulse. So as you can see, the currently the circuit, we can see an offset voltage of about 1.75 approximately is being given out. This is due to the amplifications of the internal offset voltage of the sensor, and this is the electromagnet, and the resistors are pretty heated up. So this is due to the power dissipated from the resistors. So once the electromagnet is being placed over the sensor, you can see a shift in the voltage from 1.5 to 3, around 3. So this is the detection of the magnetic field by the magnetic field sensor. So this magnetic field can be digitally read by a microcontroller by doing a comparator circuit around it. So this is the demo of proximity sensor design. So to read about the article, please visit our website www.integrated-circuit-design.com. Thank you.